What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. Check it out. I'm out front at Signature Glass Tinting, standing in the rain. I have another video for you that's part of a series we call Talking Tint. Today's video is all about window tinting and rainy weather. Check it out. That's right, guys, it's raining in Southern California. And whenever it rains in Southern California, our phone starts to ring. People always call up asking questions about window tinting and rainy weather. Just yesterday, I got a call from a guy. He said, hey, you tinted my car 6 or 7 months ago. I haven't yet driven in the rain. Is it okay to turn on the windshield wipers? And of course, yes, it's okay to run the windshield wipers. We also get people that call up and say, hey, I have an appointment tomorrow to get my windows tinted and I just noticed it's gonna be raining. Should we reschedule? Or they call up and say, hey, I'm in Mammoth, California and it's snowing. I totally forgot I tinted my windows. What do I need to do? You guys, you don't need to do anything. Remember, automotive window film goes on the inside of the car. All the window film is installed on the inside of the glass. So the rain, the snow, the wind, it doesn't play a role. Rain does not affect automotive window tinting. We do offer an exterior windshield protection film, but that is not a solar controlled window film. A solar controlled window film is installed on the inside. The 4mm clear windshield protection film goes on the outside, but it's manufactured completely differently. It's designed to be on the outside. It's designed to handle the elements. It's designed to handle snow, rain, wind, the windshield wipers. Yeah, if you want more information about our protection film for the windshield, give us a call. But today's video is about a solar controlled window film. And again, everything is installed on the inside of the glass. Regarding the actual installation of the window film, keep in mind that a professional shop is going to install the window film inside of their building. So we take the car, we drive it into the back of the shop, we close the door, we have proper lighting, we have our filtered bottled water, we have a digital plotter, and we simply perform the window film installation just like we do if it's sunny, if it's raining, if it's snowing, even if it's windy. We work indoors, so the rain, again, does not affect the window film installation. Now, when you get your windows tinted, we do ask you to park your car outside in the sun for a couple days. We ask you to keep the windows rolled up for a couple days. And if it's really, really cold, or if it's raining for, let's say, a week, this might slow down the drying process, but maybe just by a couple days. Instead of telling you to keep the windows rolled up for 3 days, we might ask you to keep the windows rolled up for maybe 4, maybe 5 days. So again, you don't need to reschedule your appointment. You don't have to park the car in the garage. The rain does not affect the window film. The rain does not affect the window film installation. There's nothing to worry about. All right, guys, one last thing. Remember, a professionally installed automotive window film is gonna come standard with a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. And then there's a lot of shops out there like us here at Signature Glass Tinting that have their own personal guarantee. I don't care what happens. If you're in a car accident and your window breaks, if your car is vandalized, if you scratch your window film, I don't care if the film fails in 10 years. Bring it back, we will retint it for free. You guys, if you have questions, just give us a call. Find us on the web, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We're everywhere, you guys. If you have a question, give us a call. We're here to help. Check out this series we're calling Talking Tint. We're trying to answer all the popular, frequently asked questions. If you guys have questions, give us a call. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, see ya.